Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to mySQL tutorials. Today I am going to teach you how can you sort your records in mySQL. Okay, so you are looking at a query that I have written in this particular designer, and here I have mentioned select all from customers. Let us first execute this query and see what is the result. You can see all the records are coming, but they are in not an ascending order. I wanted to sort my records in an ascending order or in descending order. For that purpose, I am going to write some particular clauses here, that is the order by clause first. So order by, it's a very simple clause, and now you have to specify the column based on which you are going to filter your records. So my column names are ID, name, city, gender, and the type. So let us select the C_name column of this particular table, and now click on the go button. You can see all the records are appearing as per ascending order with respect to the name column. Okay, and similarly, if you wanted to make more efficient query, then you can specify ASC. ASC stands for ascending, and if you want the records in descending order, then you can write DESC. That means all the records will come in the descending order starting from Z with respect to this C_name column. This is the benefit of order by clause. Okay, now let us do some more stuff inside this particular query. Let's say I wanted to filter the records with respect to the name and then with respect to the city. Okay, so you can specify that as well by simply applying comma, and then you can specify city column here. That's it. And now you can specify here ascending. So what will happen? The mySQL engine will first arrange the records with respect to the name, and within that names it will arrange the record with respect to the city in ascending order. Let me show you. After executing this query, you will see the records will come with respect to the ascending order here. Okay, and then you see with respect to the city the data is appearing here. Now, okay, you might be wondering that where is the order clause in the city area? There is no order by in the city after the name, because you have to mention every particular ascending and descending with respect to every column. So you can specify ascending here as well. Now let us check what is the result. So guys, you can see now all the data is sorted as per our requirement with respect to the name and with respect to the city. So all the names, but I don't have any repetitive names. So you might be wondering that this is not working, but if I select only city and name, then let's see what will happen. If I write here only C_city and then C_name, let us check now what is the result. You can see the data is coming in ascending order as per the requirement, as per the query. Okay, because we have Quetta and then we have Karachi, so the data is coming with respect to the name and the data is coming with respect to the city as well. So I hope you have understood this. Okay, let us do one more trick in order to understand this more accurately. Let us first order by the city column, and if you remove this thing, and if you remove this and then write the name, now let us execute this and see what will be the result. Now the data is appearing, let's say, as per city. So in Hyderabad the data is coming in ascending order, let's say A, and then there is no B, no C, no D, and directly we have Y. Okay, likewise in Islamabad we have only one record, so ignore it. In Karachi we have so many records. So with respect to Karachi, my records are ascending order, sorted as per the names, that is A, then B, C, there is no B and C, and then we have D, and then E is not present, so F, and then so on. You can see the sequence of the order by clause, that with respect to Karachi all the records are in ascending order, and then with respect to Lahore, then you have starting from again A to Z, and then the other cities. I hope you have understood this now in more detail. Okay, so this is the complete overview of the order by clause with respect to the ascending and descending order. Hopefully you have understood this, and if you do not understand anything, please do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.